Hello, Brian. How's it going? This is Cisco. I called the office earlier this morning and I promised I would send over a free website audit. So here it is. I'm going to go ahead and jump right to it. So, looking at your website, one of the things that I look for, Brian, is content. Okay, so you want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. And this is just your homepage. I don't see the total amount, but what I also look for is keywords, okay? And a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And within your content, you can have them throughout your website. Like for example, these photos, all those photos optimized with keywords. Do they have meta tags, meta descriptions, things like that? Now, the reason why you want those is because you want to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. For example, if you're going to be servicing Tampa for AC, you want to let them know, hey, I'm servicing Tampa and I'm an air conditioning business. I want to target those specific people that are searching for that particular keyword. Now, I'm just going to go over to this tab and I'll elaborate further on that. But let's jump in here. This is a tool called Ahrefs. This helps me understand how strong your website is performing. So going to this section here, this is your strength or your authority. You're currently being indexed at 20. And then this is your trust, which you're currently being indexed at 19th, which is really good. Now, currently right now you have over 15,000 backlinks. That's quite a bit with only 448 referring domains. Okay, so this is kind of concerning. The reason why is because every backlink or any backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. So these links, they act like an endorsement for your website and it builds trust with Google. Okay, it's literally like a popularity contest. However, not all backlinks are created equal. It's worth noting that you want to get relevant links linking back to your site. If you were to get a link from, let's say, Pizza Hut linking back to you, it could actually hinder your scores, which is probably why you're not higher when it comes to your scores being indexed, right? With this amount, I would have expected to be anywhere from like 40 to 50. Now, if we were to look at your organic keywords, let's look at what you're currently being indexed. What I'm looking for is I am looking for buyer intent keywords with specific locations on there, and I'm not seeing any right now. Okay, so let's just jump over to your competitors and see what they're doing, and then we'll jump back to yours. But this is 1 hour air conditioning, and what I'm looking for, like how I did with your site, do they have 1,500 and 2,000 words of content, and do they have keywords? And look, yes they do. They got Tampa HVAC company, so this is huge, okay, because they understand the value of ranking for that specific keyword. Here's another, trusted 24/7 AC repair in Tampa, Florida, right, because they're specific to an area that they want to target. Now let's look at same thing, taking over their website. Let's see what they're currently being ranked at. So if we look at same tool, just with 1 hour, look at the rankings, okay? Look what they're being ranked for. So they're being indexed at 37 and 64 for the trust. This is huge. And look, they only have 1,000, which only 147 referring domains, okay? Which they have a lot less than you do, but how come? Why is it that they have higher scores? And the reason why is because of how strong their backlinks they're getting. Now, let's go over here. Let's look at what keywords they're currently being ranked for. Remember, I'm looking for buyer intent keywords. And look, they have AC Repair Tampa. 400 people search for this every single month. Tampa AC Repair 450. So if you were to add this up, that's 850 people that are looking for services, okay, in that area, in the Tampa area. These are the words that you want to be ranking for. And look, their position is 2 and 2. Right, so let's just take this specific keyword and type it into Google. Tampa AC Repair. This is where you're going to see. One, you're going to see the Google Guarantee, which the Google Ads section. Folks are paying for this, so anytime you click on them, they're going to get called, but they're going to get charged. And then you have, once again, this section is another section of Google. When you see sponsored, it's Google Ads. Now, this is my favorite. This is the GMB. The reason why the Google My Business page section is my favorite, because 30 to 40% of calls come from this specific section. That's huge. And the way to be able to increase your rankings on this is, one, be able to get reviews, respond to those reviews, get your content optimized, get your photo optimized. Those things make a big difference and it helps with your rankings. The last thing I want to go over is the organic listing. So if we look at 1 hour heating and air conditioning, they're ranked number 1, and that's because look, they are, well, actually they went up. So remember, you see how there were 2? They actually went up this month. So that is huge. And this is just them organically ranking. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching this video, Brian. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me back. I want to hear your thoughts. If I can get some feedback, that would be great. Thank you, and we'll talk to you soon.